Hey coffee and tea lovers, meet the Greater Goods electric Gooseneck Kettle designed for precision brewing. With a 1200W fast heating element, it brings water to your desired temperature quickly and efficiently. The dial lets you set temperatures between 104 and 212 degrees Fahrenheit for perfect control every time. Its long gooseneck spout offers smooth, controlled pouring to ensure even saturation during your pour-over process. Made from food-grade 304 stainless steel, this BPA-free kettle prevents staining and keeps flavors pure. The intuitive design includes a balanced handle, clear digital display, and an audible ready tone for ease of use. Plus, safety features like automatic shut-off and a hydrodynamic vent make every brew worry-free. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.